Hi mga ka-career tips! Welcome back to another episode kung saan real talk tayo about adulting, trabaho, at kung paanong minsan gusto na lang nating maging halaman. Alam mo yon, yung feeling na gusto mo lang mag-photosynthesis kasi pagod ka na sa life? Today's topic, bakit ka nawawalan ng gana sa work? Hindi lang to about the madness ha. Pag-uusapan natin yung psychological reasons behind it. And of course, paano mo mababalik yung mojo mo sa career life? So, kung ikaw yung tipong habang nagkakape, nag-iisip ka kung mag-resign na ba or lalaban pa, this episode is for you. Let's start with a story. Si Lara, 27, accountant. Dati siyang masipag, achiever, at yung tipo ng employee na laging may good morning sa GC. Pero lately, girl, tahimik. Wala nang energy. Hindi na siya excited kahit may sweldo. Every day feels like Control-C, Control-V. Same coffee, same stress, same marites energy sa office. One morning, habang papasok siya, bigla niyang naisip, is this really what I want? Bakit parang ayoko na? Now that's the moment burnout quietly knocks on your door. See, hindi mo agad mapapansin. Hindi biglaan yan. It builds up slowly. Until one day, you wake up and wala ka ng gana. Psychologically speaking, burnout happens when your brain says, "Sis, I can't do this anymore." You might think tamad ka, pero actually, your brain's energy system is depleted. It's like a phone with 5% battery na ayaw mong i-charge. Pag pinilit mo pa, boom, shut down. According to psychologists, there are 3 major reasons bakit nawawalan tayo ng gana sa trabaho. Reason 1. Lack of purpose. You do your tasks pero deep inside, parang walang meaning. Like, bakit ko to ginagawa? Para kanino? If your job doesn't connect to your personal why, your motivation dies slowly. Parang nag-e-edit ka ng Excel sheet pero di mo alam kung saan pupunta yung data. Ganon ka lost minsan. Reason 2. Mental overload. Sige, admit natin, mga Pinoy, sobrang sipag. Go lang ng go, kahit pagod na. Pero sis, kung laptop na naghahang, ikaw pa kaya? Constant pressure. Deadlines, expectations, nakaka-drain yan. Tapos pag-uwi mo, may side hustle pa. Ayan, burnout is served. Reason 3. Lack of recognition or growth. Alam mo yung feeling na binuhos mo na lahat ng effort mo pero parang wala lang. Walang good job, walang promotion, walang appreciation. It hurts. And when people stop noticing your effort, your mind slowly says, then why bother? Ito yung mga red flags na baka hindi mo napapansin. Wala ka ng pake. Kahit may mali sa report mo, parang, bahala na. Tulog ka ng tulog, pero pagod ka pa rin. Everything feels heavy. Even replying to emails feels like lifting dumbbells. Madali kang mainis. Kahit simpleng good morning ng katrabaho, gusto mo nang mag-quit. If that's you, girl, you're not broken. You're just human and tired.
Here's how to get your motivation back.
Tip 1. Pause before you push. Hindi lahat ng sagot ay grind harder. Sometimes, kailangan mo lang magpahinga. Netflix mo muna yan. Matulog ka. Mag-milk tea ka. Don't guilt-trip yourself for resting. Rest is part of productivity. Tip 2. Reconnect with your why. Ask yourself, bakit ko ginagawa to? For your family? For your dream? For your future self? When you remember your why, motivation starts to follow. Tip 3. Set mini goals. Break down your big goals. Instead of, I'll get promoted this year, try, I'll improve one skill this month. Small wins build momentum. Parang ML streak lang yan. Tip 4. Itakda ang mga hangganan. Girl, hindi mo kailangang maging superhero. You can say no without feeling guilty. Hindi mo kailangang sagutin lahat ng GC chat kahit Sunday. Tip 5. Find a support system. Talk to friends, mentors, or even that one office friend na lagi mong karants. Sometimes, all you need is validation. And a little chika therapy. Let's be real. Minsan yung pinaka nakaka-drain part sa trabaho, hindi yung work, kundi yung mga tao. Yung office mate na laging nag-a-announce na busy siya, pero 80% ng oras nag-scroll sa Shopee. Yung boss na mag-a-assign ng task sa Friday 5 p.m. At yung mga meeting na pwede namang email lang, pero ginawa pang 1-hour Zoom. Sometimes, kailangan mo lang tumawa. Because humor is a coping mechanism. It's psychology approved. If you're losing motivation, one trick is the dopamine reset. It's when you take short breaks from overstimulation, social media, notifications, etc. Let your brain rest so it can crave real rewards again. Try this. 1 day off social media. 2. Clean your room. 3. Listen to a podcast. Then see how your mood improves. Promise. Effective yan. So, kung feeling mo wala ka ng gana sa work lately, pause. Don't panic. Don't quit agad. Ask yourself, am I tired? Am I bored? Or am I simply craving change? Sometimes, it's not your job that's the problem. It's the way you've been ignoring your own needs. Give yourself permission to reset, recharge, and restart. You're not lazy. You're just running on empty. And remember, you don't have to be motivated every day. You just have to keep showing up, little by little. Because healing your burnout isn't about quitting everything. It's about remembering why you started. So ayun, mga ka-career tips, kung nagustuhan mo tong episode na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para mas marami pa tayong Real Talk Career Chikahan. This is Career Tips, your safe space for job advice, psychology talk, at konting tawa sa gitna ng trabaho. See you next episode, and remember, kapag napagod, magpahinga, hindi mag-resign agad.